County in south-central Indiana, Crawford County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Perry County in south-central Indiana, southern Orange County in south-central Indiana, southwestern Washington County in south-central Indiana, until 8:45 p.m. or 7:45 p.m. At 5:39 p.m. or 4:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain has fallen over the last several hours, and additional heavy rainfall is expected over the next few hours. This excessive rainfall will result in runoff and flash flooding in the warning area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jasper, English, Carefree Town, Huntingburg, Ferdinand, Baringo, Milltown, Holland, Birdseye, and Hardinsburg. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. or 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois and Perry. The National Weather Service